The Lexus Gx, the brand's midsize, off-road SUV, has been overdue for a redesign. And it's finally happened for the 2024 model year. Riding on an all-new platform with an updated powertrain and a load of more modern features, the new GX 550's rugged appearance is about the only thing that ties it to its outdated forebear. The new model's boxy, Land Cruiser-inspired exterior looks like it will age well, a good thing, since the GX has a history of lengthy product cycles. The 2024 GX 550 rides on the same body-on-frame platform as the Toyota Sequoia and the Toyota Tundra, and will be available with a twin-turbo V6 powertrain offered with and without hybrid assist rather than the V8 of the outgoing model. It slots into the Lexus SUV lineup between the flagship LX luxury off-roader and the Texas SUV, the latter of which is similar in size, but focused more on interior space and on-road refinement. What's new for 2024? The GX is one of Lexus's oldest nameplates and is admired by off-roading enthusiasts. So Lexus is smart for continuing to offer it with a host of terrain-tackling hardware. We expect to see the GX 550 in Lexus showrooms in early 2024. Engine, transmission, and performance. While a hybrid powertrain is slated to join the lineup later on, a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine will be standard across the GX lineup at the SUV's launch. At 349 horsepower, the blown V6 makes more power than the previous generation GX V8. A 10-speed automatic is also standard, and all models come with 4-wheel drive. Overtrail and Overtrail Plus trims are decked out with more off-road goodies than the standard trims, including 18-inch wheels with 33-inch all-terrain tires, an aluminum skid plate, an adaptive suspension system with more wheel articulation, a crawl control feature, and selectable drive modes for differing terrains. Towing and payload capacity. Premium Plus Overtrail and Overtrail Plus trims can tow up to 8,000 pounds, while luxury models can tow 6,990 pounds, and Luxury Plus trims can tow 6,780. A towing capacity for the upcoming hybrid powertrain has not been revealed. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Despite downsizing from a V8 to a twin-turbo V6, fuel economy doesn't improve much over the 2023 model's EPA estimates, which came in at 15 miles per gallon city and 19 miles per gallon highway. Lexus is estimating 15 miles per gallon city and 21 miles per gallon highway for the non-hybrid model. When we get a chance, we'll take the new GX 550 on our 75-mile-per-hour highway route and update this story with real-world fuel economy test results. For more information about the GX fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo, despite the GX rugged exterior styling, luxurious environs await you inside. Faux or genuine leather upholstery is available in a variety of colors, and Overtrail variants offer faux suede accents in a dark green shade. Premium and luxury trims offer 3 rows of seats with space for up to 7, with the standard second row bench. A pair of captain's chairs is optional and brings the seating capacity down to 6. The Overtrail models are strictly 2-row affairs with seating for up to 5. The GX third row offers the option of power controls. A cooled storage bin, a head-up display, and a digital key fob are all available as optional extras. Infotainment and connectivity. All GX models come with a 14.0-inch infotainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a separate 12.3-inch digital gauge display that can be reconfigured to show a variety of information to the driver. Most models come with 6 USB-C ports throughout the interior, but Overtrail and Overtrail Plus models get just 4. A wireless smartphone charging pad is optional. A 10-speaker stereo is standard, but audiophiles can upgrade to a 21-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system. Safety and driver assistance features. The GX comes equipped with driver assistance features that can help you avoid accidents. The safety gear includes automated emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and lane departure warning. For more information about the GX crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature,